Coming to the second one, write the following expressions as log n and find their values whenever possible. Here are the some problems given. We have to write the given expanded forms as a single logarithm, and we have to find the values also whenever it possible. Okay. So first solution, given log 2 plus log 5. Children, this is in the form of log x plus log y. So you can write log x into y. Okay. So here log 2 plus log 5. Here there is no base, so we have to assume that there is a base, that is log 2 to the base 10, log 5 to the base 10. So particularly if the base is given, then only we have to consider that base, otherwise we have to consider the base as log 10. Okay. So here in the formula also you can write log 10 log 2 to the base 10 plus log 5 to the base 10, or you need not to write to the base also. So if you want to write, you can write, otherwise there is no problem without writing the base also. Okay. But we assume that there is a base, that is 10. So this is in the form of log x plus log y. So you can write log x into y. So similarly here also you can write log x means 2, y means 5, log 2 into 5. So that is log 2 5s are 10, so to the base 10. So already I told you, if there is no base, we have to consider the base as 10. So there is a formula, that is log a to the base a. So the value of log a to the base a equal to 1. So here also we have log 10, so and the base is 10, so the value is 1. Okay. So here we wrote the given expanded logarithm as single logarithm, and we found the result also, that is 1. Second solution. So second one is your homework. You can use the log x by y formula for solving that problem. Now I am going to third one, that is given 3 into log 4 to the base 64. Okay. So that is 3 into, children, this is in the form of, you can write 64 as 4 cube, that is log 4 to the base 4 cube. Okay. Now this is in the form of log x to the base a power m. Then you can write in the form of log x to the base a power m, 1 by m into log x to the base a. So this is the another law of logarithm. So you have to by heart this one also. So now this is in the form of log x to the base a power m. So you can write 1 by m into log x to the base a. So a power m. So what is x here? 4. A means 4, m means 3. So compare the value here with the formula. So you can write 1 by m, that is 1 by 3 into log x, that is log 4 to the base 4. So you can write 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 log a to the base a. So already we used that formula, log a to the base a equal to 1. So here the logarithm value is 4 and the base is also 4, that's why the value is 1. So that is 3 into 1 by 3. 3 get cancelled, so the result will be 1. Okay. Next, fourth one is 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2. Children, this is in the form of log x power m. So in the place of log x power m, you can write m into log x. So here also this is in the form of m into log x, that is 2 into log 3. you can write in the place of m into log x power m. So here also you can write log 3 square. Okay, this is in the form of m into log x, so you can write log x power m, that's why log 3 square. Similarly this one also in the form of m into log x, so in the place of 3 log 2 you can write log 2 cube. Okay, so that is, if you simplify this, 3 square means 9 minus log 2 cube means 8. Now this is in the form of log x minus log y, so you can write in the place of log x minus log y log x by y. Okay, so these are the laws of logarithms. I already gave you for reading, so you must learn this formula, because in this exercise every problem is based on this formula, so you have to by heart these formulas. So apply this formula for the log 9 minus log 8, so that is, you can write log x by y, that is log 9 by 8. So here we wrote the given logarithm as single logarithm, so we can't find the value by using the laws of logarithms. So for finding the value of log 9 by 8 you have to use a logarithmic table. Okay, so we don't know how to use the logarithmic table in 10th class syllabus, that's why leave it. Next one, fifth one, given log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. So we have to write the given expanded value as single logarithm. So that is, you can use the first formula as log x power m is equal to m into log x, because this is in the form of 2 into log x, that is m into log x. So in the place you can write log 3 square, that is log x power m. So write the log 10 as it is and write the log 3 square and log minus log 2. Now simplify the value, log 10 plus log 3 square means log 9 minus log 2. And the first two values are in the form of log x plus log y, so you can write in the place of log x plus log y log xy, log x plus log y equal to log x into y. So you can simplify the first two logarithms as log 10 into 9 according to the formula log x plus log y, and write the minus log 2 as it is. So that is log 10 into 9, 90 minus log 2. Now this is in the form of log x minus log y, so you can write log x by y. Okay, so that is log 10 minus log 2 is equal to log 9 by 2, that is log 45. So this one also we wrote as single logarithm, we can't find the log 45 value without using the logarithmic tables, so just leave it.